If you're watching this video, you might be wondering, what is Spire Starter? Hi, I'm Erin McDermott, optical engineer and founder of Spire Starter. You may know me from some of my greatest hits, including the manufacturing processes using high-powered lasers to make these products better, the optical development in distance measurement sensors and 2D barcode readers, the R&D behind this Acadia projector headlamp, and development of this Corvette RCL. Or maybe you know me from my indoor lighting, optical engineering stuff, including this guy who turned some heads in that year's IES progress report. It was very weird and very efficient. That's all of my experience in the corporate world that I bring with me into projects that I do for Spire Starter as an independent optical engineering consultant. Within Spire Starter, here are some of the companies we've worked with. The projects I've helped with inside Spire Starter are even more diverse than the stuff I had experience with going into starting this company. Some examples are like this indicator light on this consumer electronic for Core, and Spin has these electronic scooters that have headlights on them. Fun fact, in Germany, headlamps for scooters are regulated, and they're regulated very similarly to how automotive headlamps are also regulated, which is kind of nuts. It's very extreme. But most often, even more than weird indicator lights for consumer electronics, I'm getting asked to help with machine vision illumination. Oftentimes, off-the-shelf solutions for machine vision systems or other robotic systems aren't adequate for getting really great images. There can be problems with glare or not enough light, especially when you're trying to capture images of shiny and fast-moving things, or if you're very limited with power or the geometry that you can fit your optics within. I also frequently get asked to help analyze systems that were once working and all of a sudden are not anymore. And I do that a lot with light tools. That's my race simulation software. Optical simulations are a great tool for root cause analysis because in simulations, we can hold variables constant, which is really hard to do in real life, while at the same time changing other variables one at a time to see the effect that they cause to find out which is the most likely culprit. I did say we for some of these projects because previously I would subcontract to other disciplines for larger projects that needed more expertise, such as like an electrical engineer or mechanical engineer. I don't do that anymore because it wasn't financially worth it, but you can find many of those other experts on oddengineer.com. This is a site that Spire Starter owns. It's another project, a directory of hard to find freelance hardware engineers. You can directly contact all the pros on here with no need for me to be involved whatsoever. And because of that platform and all of the things associated with oddengineer.com, including a meetup group, Spire Starter went on ramping onto this $175 million NASA contract, which is meant to help NASA crowdsource engineering talent. So if you're a freelance engineer, you might want to check out Odd Engineer, or you can book a Zoom consultation with me. Right now, there's a free preliminary 20-minute consultation where we talk about what we can do in a larger contract, or you can book 90 minutes of paid engineering time with me.